A must-see if you want to know Tbilisi's history, culture and food. The best walking tour of the old walled city. I'm just in awe of the beauty of the city and its people. Many thanks to Esto for the patience in explaining the history and background, and answering our countless questions. Thank you for going out of your way to bring us back to our hotel. I hope to come back to Georgia to experience other provinces. Tbilisi, situated on the banks of the Mtkavari River, serves as Georgia's capital and largest city. It was established in the 5th century by a renowned Georgian monarch. Its advantageous position has resulted in Tbilisi blending Western and Eastern cultures harmoniously. The city's diverse architecture, distinct culture, and customs have attracted various ethnic groups, making Tbilisi their home. The coexistence of different religions exemplifies the Georgian people's tolerant and hospitable nature. While exploring the city on a guided walking tour, you will encounter its major highlights and receive expert recommendations for the finest bars, cafes/restaurants, and nightlife spots.